says 245.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Penny. On my channel I am sharing videos about getting my life together so that I can finally start living the life I dream about instead of just dreaming about it. I'm not really sure how it's all gonna work out, but I would love for you to stick around so you can find out with me. The videos are anything lifestyle related. On May 16th I started a weight loss journey, and I can officially say that 36 days later I am 17 pounds lighter. At the start of my weight loss journey, the second week, my numbers were a little bit skewed because I had lost 10 pounds in 1 week. That was due to food poison. Since the 17 pounds has stuck around and I haven't had anything major, I am claiming 17 pounds lighter. And that was just with changing my diet. On June 16th, which was the 1 month mark, I decided to add a workout. And I wouldn't really call it a workout because I'm just walking on my treadmill for 15 minutes. And in those 15 minutes, I'm only burning about 125, sometimes 150 calories. So I know 15 minutes on a treadmill is not a lot. I also do the sun salute, which helps get my body moving, and it stretches my muscles. And I'm doing 1 minute on a rebounder. The rebounder, it's said that it helps with your lymphatic system. And I've had the rebounder, I have it sitting in my house, so I just decided to use it. I know 15 minutes is not a lot to do. I do have a habit of doing too much too soon whenever I start a workout regimen or anything really. So I've just decided to do 15 minutes, and I know that eventually my time and intensity will increase. But for right now, that's all I'm doing, and I'm just going to let my body decide when it wants to do more or when she wants to do more. Another thing that I wanted to add this week before I show the foods that I ate is I fasted on Saturday. I fasted the entire weekend, but my reporting time on here is from Sunday to Saturday. So I fasted on Saturday, and in my next video I will also say that I fasted on Sunday. I wanted to fast because I had a sinus drainage that was driving me crazy. I've been fasting since 2002, 2003, and I've had good results with fasting. I have read many books on fasting, so I know it works. And the sinus drainage that I did the fasting for, I don't have it anymore. I'm not saying that it won't come back, but I've had a good reprieve from it from yesterday and today. The plan is to continue fasting on the weekends. That's my plan. I don't know how I'll feel. If I don't feel like fasting, I won't. So I'm just gonna do 1 day at a time. Anyway, so that's all I have to report. I'll just show the foods that I ate during the week. If you're new, I will list all of the videos so far in the description box below. And please consider subscribing to my channel and turn on notifications so you're notified each time I upload a video. I'd love to continue chatting with you in the comments section below. Thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you next time. Okay, bye. It's Sunday night. I'm having a lentil pasta that I'm trying with broccoli, peas, and a garlic scape and peas pesto. The garlic scape came from my garden. I have pineapple juice with sparkling water and lime juice here. And depending on how I feel, I may have this mango. And this is fried oyster mushrooms, just for a little bit of crunch. All right, it's Monday at 4 o'clock, and this is my first meal for the day. It may be my only meal. I'm not sure if I'll have anything else. If I do, I'll make a note of that. I was going to make sushi rolls, but I'm not in the mood. So I'm gonna make sushi bites, toasted seaweed rice with rice vinegar, pickled carrots, cucumber. This is guacamole, pickled beets, and then this is a sweet soy sauce. And then depending on how I feel, I may have this mango. I feel usually after I'm done eating, I'm still craving something sweet, and like a mango or some type of fruit usually takes care of that. But let me wrap one of these. Let me make one of these and show you what it looks like. It is Tuesday at 4:40 p.m. This is my first big meal of the day. Should be my only meal for today. I'm having leftover tabbouleh with, this is just my version of tabbouleh. This is the grain that I use in it because that's what I have. I'm having that with romaine lettuce leaves, a giant mango, and I also have a big jar of pineapple juice with sparkling water in the freezer that I'm going to add some lemon juice to. And that's going to be my meal for today. This mango does not taste very good at all. I grew up eating mangoes straight from trees in Jamaica. I know what a mango should taste like, and that doesn't taste very good at all. So I'm going to have this one. This is my last mango. I'm going to have this one and then my pineapple juice. And that'll be it for the day because I feel really full. Wednesday, June 16th, 6:19 p.m. This is my meal for today. I've had water today. I'm having these corn tortillas that I fried to make them crispy. Homemade salsa. My mom had corn in the cupboard, so I used that. And I had some black beans, so I put them in here. This is guacamole, and then I'm having grapes and also this giant jar of coconut water, and that should satisfy me for today. It's Wednesday at 3 o'clock, and this is my first meal for today. I didn't feel like just doing one meal today at 6 or 7. I wasn't doing a lot of things today, and when I'm not very busy, I think about food more. Or when I'm bored, I think about food more. But today, I just didn't feel like doing one meal per day. So I made this veggie stir fry. I had some veggies in the fridge that I needed to use up, which is also something that I need to work on. Because I waste a lot of money on food. And I don't want this to get off on a tangent, but I am using up the things that I have in my fridge for whatever I bought it for. And then this meal was also inspired by a meal that my sister shared with me. Well, a photo of a meal that she prepared that she shared with me. But yeah, I'm gonna eat this, and then later on, I know exactly what I'm having for dinner. So I'll see you guys then. Okay, bye. Oh yeah, and a glass of water. Hopefully too. It's Thursday at 6:40, and I just went to the kitchen and saw these leftover from yesterday. They're still crunchy, so I'm gonna have some with some of my homemade salsa. Okay, I finished the chips and I have a little bit of salsa left, so I'm gonna have these crackers. Eat it with these crackers. I made these crackers from sourdough starter. They're really good. And I put thyme and calendula petals in there. It is Thursday night at 8:16. This is my dinner. I've got corn tortillas with baked cauliflower and the fixins. Okay, and then on this one I made sourdough pancake with scallions, roasted cauliflower, pickled onions, arugula, and kimchi. I just want to see how it tastes, and then I put a little bit of sweet soy sauce on here. So I just want to test it out to see if it's a dish that I can make maybe once a week or so. I'm having coconut water. This is from yesterday because I couldn't finish the giant jar of coconut water that I was so excited about. Today is Friday, June 18th, and it is 2:36 p.m. First meal for the day. First meal of the day. I'm having a cup of noodle for lunch. I doctored up my soup a little bit. I added broccoli, some chili paste, jalapeno juice, and a piece of carrot. After lunch, I'm going to have some water with edamame, dried apricots, and dried passion fruits, and I picked those up at Marshall's. It's Friday night at 7:50, and this is my dinner. I had some lentil pasta left over in the fridge, so I decided to eat it with broccoli that was in the fridge, bell pepper that was in the fridge, and I made some peanut sauce to go with it. And I am having a glass of this is pomegranate juice with sparkling water and some pineapple juice ice cubes, because I had them in the freezer. So that's Friday night's dinner.